Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys had a great weekend because this week is going to be insane. Lots of earning reports and we're going to be here to cover it, most of it. Many companies are going to be reporting their earnings this week, so I'm going to be naming off all of the companies or most of the companies that are reporting this week. And we're going to give out what analysts are expecting, their numbers. So let's get right into it. And the first company that we are looking at is Coca-Cola right here, ticker symbol KO. And Coca-Cola will be announcing their earnings on Tuesday before the bell. Analysts are expecting earnings to rise about 1.6% to about 0.62 cents per share, and revenue to increase about 9.9% to 9.79 billion. The next company that we're going to be looking at is United Technologies, ticker symbol UTX. So let's check that one out. And this one will also be reporting their earnings on Tuesday, and analysts are actually predicting that the earnings will be about $2.04 per share on revenue of 19.55 billion. So look out for that. Next one on the list is the ticker symbol KMB, which is Kimberly-Clark. And they're also going to report on Tuesday, and analysts are expecting the earnings to rise about 1.3% to $1.61 per share. And revenue is anticipated to actually decline by 0.5% to $4.58 billion. Next one on the list is Visa, ticker symbol V. Look at it right here. And Visa will actually be reporting earnings on Tuesday as well after the bell, and analysts are expecting $1.32 per share on revenue of 5.7 billion. Next one we have here is Texas Instrument, ticker symbol TXN. And they will announce earnings on Tuesday, and they're expected to fall 12.9%, so be on the lookout for that, on $1.22 per share. And also revenue is likely to decrease to about 3.6 billion, which is about down 10.4%. Next one on here, AT&T, ticker symbol T. Check it out, AT&T. It is going to do their earnings on Wednesday before the bell, guys. And the analysts are expecting a decline of 2.2% on 0.89 cents per share. And actually revenue is predicted to jump up 15.1% on 44.85 billion. Next one that we're looking here is Boeing, ticker symbol BA. Boeing stock, it is also expected to do the earnings on Wednesday, and they see a profit of $1.80 per share on revenue of 19.99 billion. Next one on here is General Dynamic, ticker symbol GD. Will do their earnings on Wednesday. They're anticipated to increase 2.3% to $2.68 per share, and revenue likely to rise 1.9% on 9.36 billion. Next one, big behemoth Facebook, ticker symbol FB, will do their earnings on Wednesday after the bell. They see a profit of $1.87 per share on revenue of 16.51 billion. Next one is PayPal, PYPL. PayPal announces earnings on Wednesday, and they are expected to do 0.74 cents per share on revenue of 4.33 billion. Next one, Ford, ticker symbol F, Ford. And Ford is expected to do their earnings on Wednesday, and analysts are expecting a climb of 14.8% on 0.31 cents per share, but revenue to decline by 2% to 35.17 billion. Next one is one of my favorite stocks, Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla will report their second quarter earnings on Wednesday, I believe, and they are predicted to lose 0.42 cents per share on revenue of 6.42 billion, so be on the lookout for that. Next one, Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Big behemoth Amazon also doing their earnings this week on Thursday after the bell. Analysts are expecting an increase of 10.10% to $5.58 per share, and a revenue to be anticipated at a climb of 18.10% on $62.46 billion, which is insane. Next one, another behemoth Alphabet stock, ticker symbol GEGOOGL. God, I can't even talk no more. We'll also be doing the earnings this week on Thursday, and analysts are expecting earnings of $11 and 30 cents per share on revenue of $38 billion. Just a little bit over $38 billion. Next one, Intel, ticker symbol INTC. Intel will do their earnings on Thursday, expected to drop by 13.5% on 90 cents per share. And also the revenue expected to decrease 7.5% on $15.69 billion. Next one, Starbucks, SBUX is the ticker symbol. Starbucks earnings on Thursday. Analysts are expecting a jump by 16.1% on 72 cents per share. And also revenue is expected to rise 5.7% on $6.67 billion. Twitter is the next one. Twitter, ticker symbol TWTR. Twitter. Earnings on Friday. They see a profit of 0.19 cents per share on revenue of $829.15 billion. Million dollars. Imagine if Twitter was doing billions of dollars. That would be crazy. Next one, Mickey D's, McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD. Earnings on Friday. They're expected to rise 3% on $2.05 per share. Revenue to decline by 0.5% on $5.32 billion. Last but not least, AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. Earnings on Friday. And the analysts see a profit of $2.20 per share on revenue of $8.08 billion. And that's just the list for this week. I believe there are a few companies more, but these are the big ones of the bunch. So be on the lookout for your company's earnings this week. Very important. Gonna see lots of jumps, maybe some discounts, maybe some huge buying opportunities. So be on the lookout for that. And most likely I'll be covering some of the companies that I own this week. So please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.